Donna Matuizek, Building Better Biotech, One Step at a Time. When Donna Matuizek started her career in Seattle's early biotech scene, she wasn't thinking about leading FDA inspections or writing regulatory filings. She just wanted to make a difference. Over 35 years later, she's done all that and more. From HIV blood tests to advanced biologics, Matuizek has had her hands on some of the most critical projects in modern medicine. But her journey wasn't flashy. It was built through hands-on work, quiet leadership, and a focus on quality. Always. Donna grew up in Oak Harbor, Washington. In 1975, she earned a JROTC scholarship to attend college. She started her studies at the University of Washington, then transferred to Seattle Central Community College, where she earned an Associate of Applied Science in Chemical Technology. In 2003, she graduated with honors from the University of Phoenix with a Bachelor of Science in Business Management. My early focus was on labs and testing, she says. I didn't plan to end up in regulatory affairs, but quality pulled me in. In 1985, Donna joined Genetic Systems, the first biotech company in Seattle. She helped develop the first FDA-approved HIV-1 blood screening test in the US. It was groundbreaking, she says. We were protecting the nation's blood supply. It felt big because it was. Her next stop was Immunex, where she helped launch the QC lab and supported FDA approval for Leukeine, a GM-CSF used in chemotherapy recovery. By the late 90s, she moved into cell biology research at CTI Biopharma. Then came Dendrian. There, Donna led quality control and later contract manufacturing for Prevenge, the first FDA-approved cell therapy. I was the field lead on the East Coast, she recalls. That meant long flights and tighter gloves. We were building something no one else had built. She helped improve aseptic process success rates and reduced product failure from 5% to under 0.5%. She also worked on the CMC, chemistry, manufacturing, and controls section of their BLA submission, critical for FDA approval. In 2007, Donna began consulting. Projects included lot release reviews, stability data assessments, and regulatory strategy. She later joined Blood Cell Storage Incorporated, a small medical device company. At BCSI, she directed regulatory and quality systems. She led CE marking and ISO 13485 certification for platelet and fertility monitoring devices. Smaller companies teach you how to build systems from scratch. She says, you wear 10 hats and learn fast. In 2015, she joined AGC Biologics as Director of Quality Control and Senior Manager of Regulatory Affairs. She helped lead a successful 5-day FDA inspection and supported another one in Copenhagen. Then came Just Biotherapeutics, now Just Evotech Biologics. Over 6 years, she scaled their quality operations from scratch, eventually leading a team of 35 people. She qualified a full commercial biologics facility in just 18 months during COVID-19. It was fast, really fast, she says. But we did it, and we met all the compliance requirements. Her leadership contributed to a 100% success rate in GMP manufacturing for monoclonal antibodies and exosomes for clinical trial materials. She helped 8 clients get INDs approved and hosted over a dozen successful quality systems audits. From 2022 to 2024, Donna served as Senior Director of Quality and Regulatory at Magnolia Medical in Seattle. She led product transfers to new contract manufacturers and validated the company's electronic quality management system. She also helped gain FDA clearance for a Class II medical device aimed at reducing false positive sepsis diagnoses. Despite her busy career, Donna keeps things balanced. She runs a supper club and a food club. She's also a cat lover, gardener, marathon finisher, and a member of a book club. Cooking is my therapy, she laughs. And gardening keeps me grounded, literally. She volunteers regularly by preparing meals for a women's shelter. She also prides herself on team loyalty. Over a 14-year stretch, she maintained a staff retention rate of over 95%. That only happens when people trust you, she says, and when you trust them and help them grow. Donna's approach is simple. Be thorough, stay curious, and never cut corners. Quality isn't about checklists, she explains. It's about protecting people. You can't fake that. Her ability to build systems that scale, while staying compliant, makes her stand out in the biotech world. And her track record proves it. She doesn't chase headlines or try to be the loudest voice in the room. But if you're launching a biologic or scaling a medical device, chances are you want someone like Donna Matuizek in the room. I just try to get it right, she says, every time.